Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 14th, 2025, and we're diving into the fiscal fourth quarter and full year results of MakeMyTrip, India's leading travel service provider. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss MakeMyTrip's latest financial performance.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. MakeMyTrip reported a revenue of $245.5 million for the fourth quarter, a 21% increase year over year. For the full fiscal year, revenue reached $978.3 million, up 25%. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth is primarily driven by robust travel demand in India, both domestically and internationally. The air ticketing, hotels and packages, and bus ticketing segments all saw significant increases. Notably, the bus ticketing segment grew by 40.8% in Q4, reflecting a strong recovery in travel activities.
And how did this impact profitability?
Adjusted net profit for the quarter was $48.1 million, a 30.3% increase from the previous year. The adjusted EPS came in at 42 cents, beating the forecast of 33 by a significant margin, which was based on estimates from two analysts. This indicates strong operational efficiency and cost management.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, can you break down the performance across MakeMyTrip's key segments?
Absolutely. The air ticketing segment saw a revenue increase of 11.9% to $61.6 million, driven by a 19.4% increase in gross bookings. Hotels and packages revenue rose by 16.9% to $123.3 million, supported by a 23.2% increase in hotel room nights. The standout performer was the bus ticketing segment, with a 40.8% revenue increase to $33.5 million, reflecting changes in revenue recognition and strong demand.
What strategic initiatives have contributed to these results?
MakeMyTrip has focused on expanding its customer base and enhancing personalized travel services. Their investments in new demand segments and customer experiences have paid off, as evidenced by the high repeat bookings and increased gross bookings, which reached $2.55 billion in Q4, up 25.2% year over year.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about operational efficiencies. How has MakeMyTrip managed its costs?
MakeMyTrip has done an excellent job in managing costs. Adjusted operating profit increased by 37.9% to $44.7 million in Q4. Interestingly, personnel expenses decreased slightly by 1.2% to $42.8 million, despite wage increases due to reduced share-based compensation costs. However, marketing expenses rose by 33.2% to $42.1 million, reflecting increased brand-building initiatives.
What does the future hold for MakeMyTrip?
CEO Rajesh Magow highlighted the record gross bookings and revenue, underscoring the platform's strength and the sustained momentum in travel demand. The company is well-positioned to capitalize on the growing travel market, with a focus on operational efficiency and strategic reinvestment in growth areas.
EPS forecast and market reaction. John, let's discuss the EPS forecast. Analysts had predicted an EPS of 0.33 cents for the quarter. How did the actual results compare?
MakeMyTrip exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of 42 cents, significantly higher than the forecast. This beat reflects the company's strong financial performance and operational efficiencies.
How has the market reacted to these results?
The market has reacted positively, with investors appreciating the robust financial performance and strategic initiatives. Additionally, the company's share repurchase plan, which saw $21.7 million worth of shares repurchased in fiscal 2025, has further boosted investor confidence.
Key takeaways. In summary, MakeMyTrip has delivered a strong financial performance for the fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2025, with significant growth in revenue and profitability. The company's strategic focus on expanding its customer base and enhancing travel services has paid off, as reflected in the impressive financial metrics. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing MakeMyTrip's performance.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on MakeMyTrip's performance in the comments below. Until next time,